How to replace your LG air purifier filter. Is your air purifier's filter in need of replacing? This icon will display when the filter needs replacing on the single filter unit. These icons will display when the filters on the double filter unit needs replacing. Sure signs your filter needs replacing are: the air inside your home is not clean, the air purifier's fan is making noise, or a strange smell is emanating from the air outlet. Here's how to replace the air filter. Start by removing the cover panel by moving it up, then outwards. Next, remove the support piece from inside. Then, remove the old filter by pulling it out from its handle. Place your old filter in a trash bag and throw it away. Place the new filter in the air purifier, making sure the handle is sticking outwards. Don't forget to place the support piece back in. Then set the cover panel back on your appliance. To reset the single filter model, press and hold the speed and indicator buttons for 3 seconds. To reset the double filter model, press the same buttons for the top filter. Press the indicator and sleep buttons for the bottom filter.